Hello student, welcome to the next video of business studies and we are doing sources of business finance. So this is the last video of this lesson and so in the earlier video of this lesson we saw that we study about different sources of finance and their merits and limitations. मतलब अगर कोई finance का source है like trade credit था, factoring था, banks थे, then shares, तो इन सब के प्रॉफिट भी होते हैं लॉस भी होता है, कुछ लिमिटेशंस भी होते हैं. क्लियर? सो नाउ थ्रू दिस वीडियो विल स्टडी दैट कि कौन सा सोर्स बेस्ट सूट करेगा कभी बिजनेस के लिए. मीन्स देयर आर नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स विच विल अफेक्ट द चॉइस of means which source you are going to choose, and there are number of factors which will affect it. So the factor that affect the choice of source of finance, they are your cost, then financial strength and stability of operation, form of organization, risk, control, purpose and time period. So there are different factors on which the choice of source of fund depend. So let's study about these factors one by one. So the very first factor according to this slide is your cost. So student, there are two types of cost: the cost of procurement of fund and the cost of utilizing the fund, and both these costs should be taken into account while deciding about the source of fund. So see, टू टाइप्स ऑफ कॉस्ट मीन्स एक कॉस्ट होता है आपका कि आप कितना जो आपने फंड प्रोक्योर किया है तो उसका कॉस्टिंग क्या आ रहा है. लाइक सपोज I means today I want some money and I am borrowing that money. Okay, so when I am borrowing the money, definitely I have to pay interest on that amount, isn't it? So let's say the interest I am paying is around 10%. Okay, then suppose I am utilizing that particular money, and by utilizing that, suppose I am getting say profit of rupee profit in the percentage. If we talk about, say, I am getting say 5% profit on that amount. So what do you think? Will it be advisable to use that amount? Means cost of procurement हमारा जो I am giving the interest is 10%, and when I am using that particular money and I am getting the means the interest I am receiving as return, that is around 5 to 6%. So means both the cost, it should be taken into account before deciding the source of fund. Means अब हम देखेंगे कि क्या see there are different sources also. Borrowed fund hota hai and owners fund also. So in that case, definitely I am not going to borrow it from anyone. Okay, I will try to utilize my own fund. So owners fund will be advisable over here. Clear? Then the second factor is your financial strength and stability of operations. So what is the strength of the organization and the stability of that particular operation? So in the choice of source of fund, business should be in a sound financial position so as to be able to repay the principal amount and interest on the borrowed amount. Now see, abhi, means when we are talking about the factors that will affect the choice of source. So we studied there are two types of source, like owners fund and borrowed fund. Internal, external funds are there. So whenever I'm talking about the external or the borrowed fund, so definitely on the borrowed fund we have to we have to repay back the principal amount, and not only the principal amount but also the interest on that borrowed amount. Okay, so when we have to pay interest also, तो हमें ये देखना पड़ेगा ना कि क्या हमारा जो बिजनेस है वो फाइनेंशियली इतना साउंड है. मीन्स तो जो बिजनेस है, it should be in a sound financial position so as to so that they should be able to repay back the principal amount as well as interest also, because when the earning of the organization are not stable, then fixed charge fund should be carefully selected as these add to the financial burden. Means जब हमारे organization का जो earning है वो stable नहीं है, like किसी महीने बहुत profit हो जाता है, किसी महीने बहुत कम profit होता है, या से loss भी हो जाता है, तो it will not be advisable for that type of firm to add on more financial burden on them. लाइक जब हम बोरोड फंड लेंगे तो हमें इंटरेस्ट पे करना ही करना होता है, जब हमें इंटरेस्ट पे करना होता है मीन्स इट इज द फिक्स ऑब्लिगेशन ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, हमें वो ऑर्गेनाइज बीइंग दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उसको वो आपका लाइबिलिटी है एंड यू हैव टू पे दैट अमाउंट। ओके, सो वो फिक्स चार्ज जब हमको फंड का हमें देना होता है तो इट शुड बी केयरफुली सेलेक्टेड। क्लियर? सो अगर फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रेंथ है बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन देन it should go for borrowed fund, otherwise it should go for owner's fund. Then next comes your form of organization and legal status. So remember we studied about different forms of organization like your sole proprietorship, partnership form of business. So a partnership firm, for example, cannot raise money by issue of equity shares as these can be issued only by a joint stock company. So there are certain restriction also like partnership, sole proprietorship form of business. So these firm they cannot raise money through issue of shares for means if the one want to go for shares, so only a joint stock company form of business only can raise money through shares. Then the next is your purpose and time period. So business should plan according to the time period for which the funds are required. So now what this time period means that business should plan according to the time period for which the funds are required. Like short term need can be met through your borrowing funds at low rate of interest through trade credit, commercial paper, and if suppose a long term finance is required, then sources like issue of shares, debentures, they are more appropriate, isn't it? And just like that the means similarly the purpose for which the funds are required, it should also be considered so that the source can be matched. Like long term business expansion plan, it should be it means one should not it should not be financed by bank overdraft which will require to be repaid in the short term, because ये है तो लॉन्ग टर्म बिजनेस एक्सपेंशन और आप शॉर्ट टर्म सोर्स आप यूज नहीं कर सकते हो। क्लियर? So purpose and time period is also one of the factor. Then comes your risk profile. So business should evaluate each of the source of finance in terms of risk involved. अब जितने भी हम लोगों ने अभी पढ़ा हुआ है, जितने भी सोर्सेस पढ़े हुए हैं उनके सारे में रिस्क क्या इन्वॉल्व है। लाइक देयर इज वेरी लीस्ट रिस्क इन इक्विटी, क्योंकि इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स को जब अगर प्रॉफिट होगा तो इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर को देंगे, नहीं होगा तो नहीं देंगे। एंड the share capital has to be repaid only at the time of winding up, and dividend need not to be paid if no profits are available in case of equity share. And a loan on the another hand, it has to be repaid, both the principal as well as interest also, isn't it? Means interest has to be paid irrespective of the firm, whether the firm is earning profit or incurring a loss. So risk profile associated with that particular source should also be studied in detail. Then comes the next factor, control. So business firms should choose a source keeping in mind the extent to which they are willing to share their control over business. So see student, till now we studied that issue of equity shares, it may lead to dilution of control, isn't it? Because these equity shareholders, they enjoy the voting rights. So therefore if the company they want to retain the control, means अगर कंपनी चाहती है कि कंट्रोल हमारा नहीं खोए, कंट्रोल हमारा मेरे पास ही रहे, then company they will prefer to issue debenture or preference share which will not carry any voting right, and because of that even their control will not dilute. Clear? Then the next point says effect on credit worthiness. So the credit worthiness of a company is affected by the use of a particular source of finance. मीन्स मार्केट में अगर आपकी एक क्रेडिट वर्दीनेस होती है कंपनी की, सो वो अफेक्ट करती है आपका कि आप कौन सा सोर्स आपका फाइनेंस का आप यूज कर रहे हैं। Like let me explain this point with the help of an example. Like suppose this issue of equity and preference shares, It will enhance the credit worthiness, whereas issue of debenture, it may affect it. Then the eighth factor is your flexibility and ease. So another factor affecting the choice of a source of finance is the flexibility and ease involved in obtaining fund. Means like your suppose you're borrowing from bank. Suppose a company is borrowing finance from bank and some financial institutions. So it will involve many restrictions. Then detailed investigation, documentation work is there. है ना, जब बैंक से आप पैसा लेते हो तो यही सब होता है ना, बहुत प्रोसीजर थोड़ा लॉन्ग हो जाता है. सो देयरफॉर द बिजनेस फर्म they may not prefer them if suppose some other sources are easily available. So definitely जब कोई easy आपको कोई source है जो easily available हो जा रहा है flexible, तो definitely the business firm will opt that source. Okay, so then the last factor is your tax benefit. So non-taxable instrument will be preferred over tax deductible. Now means what? Like you know that the interest paid on debentures and loans is a tax deductible, whereas these dividend payable to equity and preference shareholder is not tax deductible. So therefore, to avail tax benefit, companies prefer to raise funds through debentures or loan. Clear? So student, this is all about this video where we discuss about the factor which will affect in the choice of the source of fund. So that's all for this video, and I hope you like this video. So please do like, share and subscribe the video, and in case if you are having any problem or any doubt regarding any point, you can ask me through comment box. So thank you and take care.